Work is no longer a place we go to from 9 to 5. Work is part of our lives. We don't need an office to do it. What we do need is the freedom and flexibility to do our best work wherever life takes us. That's why we developed Alcove, the stylish, first-of-its-kind laptop case that unfolds into a mobile workstation to enhance privacy when working in open spaces. Noise distraction is a big issue, so we've made noise control a high priority. We've consulted with the brightest PhDs in acoustic engineering to develop alcoves, patent-pending side panels, so you can create your best work wherever inspiration strikes. Alcove had rechargeable backlighting to make reading and writing in low lighting spaces easier. Finding flow, getting in the zone, whatever you call it, it's easier with Alcove. And when you're done, just fold it up and go. We've spent the last year observing people at work in different locations.
And we are ready for the first production run of Alcove. But we need your help.
Join our mission as we create the first-of-its-kind laptop case by supporting our campaign today. Log on to getalcove.com so you can get the latest updates on our launch. Thank you for your support in Alcove.
I spent years searching for a tripod I could anchor, adjust, and aim while holding my breath in deep water. Couldn't find it, so I designed it. Brought it to Kickstarter. Now I'm bringing it to you. You should be able to put your camera where you want without fear and without lugging a lot of gear. With deployable stakes and multiple rigging points, you can connect PackPod in ways that let you get great shots from almost any angle. It's quick to set up, easy to stow, compact, lightweight, waterproof. Built for adventure. Whether you shoot time-lapse, still photos, or video, PackPod expands your creative possibilities. There's a lot to be said for traveling light. And there's lots of heavy tripods out there. But when you're out for the whole day, who wants to carry extra weight when you can use what's around you to steady the shot? Gear keeps getting smaller and better. Why weigh yourself down? PackPod lets you grab life's best moments fast while you're having fun. You don't have to travel heavy to capture a light moment.
Feet, feet, feet. How often they save us. In good weather or in bad. Especially when the storm starts. They help us. Our feet move us where we need to go. Obeying our commands, they rush us where we want to go. When the bad weather starts, or when we put a big load on them. Our feet obediently fulfill their duty. It's time to thank your feet and give them joy. Smart Insole Step G will warm up your feet. Foot massage using thigh methods is a secret to longevity and youth. Your feet will be grateful. These smart insoles that can give you a thigh massage were invented and created by Ion Kuzmescu, electronic engineer with 20 years of experience. He loves his wife and daughter so much, he left work. Constant thigh massage saved his family. Welcome! Everything started with an idea. Then, together with friends, we performed tests and research of human feet and newest materials. The creation of a mold took us a long time. after which the test prototypes were created. Of course, we had to modify some features and again produce test insoles. This room, we control the production of the insoles electronics. Above is the assembly shop. Do you see what I'm wearing? What we do requires absolute purity and responsibility. Electronics are the heart of the insoles. My colleagues like everything in order. Professional equipment performed the task well. All the tests showed great results. Our team spent a lot of time. It took us long to choose the best materials. In a specialized company, we created a test batch. Without losing time, we started with the tests. We started experimenting the insoles with marathon rounds. We gave them maximum load. Tests on sharp rocks went well. With the Step G insoles, frost and humidity are no concern. Even the critical folding was no problem for the smart insoles. We even tried this. Now we are content. You can do any activity with the Step G insoles. You can take them to work. You can run in any weather. They are ready to go on an adventure with you. They are composed of infrared heating element made of carbon fiber, vaporized aluminum membrane powered by the flexible battery, activated carbon cloth layer. Carbon fiber adds durability, microporous membrane, gel flex, foam latex, great insulation, and the stain-resistant textile surface repels dirt.
Higher amp hour battery for longer range, the nuts and bolts of the Rumble.
This is our full electric Rumble e-bike. Basically, we have everything you can have on a normal electric bike with the low beam, high beam, horn, speedometer. On the display, you can actually see how many percentage of the battery you have left and the voltage of the battery. One of the unique designs of the bike that is pretty obvious is the front end. If you're sitting on a regular scooter, if you're gonna make a left turn, basically you just turn your steering wheel all the way to the left, or you're going right, you turn all the way to the right. But with this design, you're using more of your body weight while you're doing the turn, so you just turn a little bit and lean a little bit and you're making sharp turns. The coolest part of the Rumble bike is actually added an engine sound. You just press the button. There is no delays on the throttle and the sound, so it's super authentic. If I just touch a little bit, you can hear the sound goes on.
The love we share for cafe racer bikes goes way back to 1977, when we bought our first bike. Our idea and vision was to mix the past with the future, and Rumble was the perfect name of the scooter we wanted to share with the world. Our background in engineering and passion for bikes has been the key to create the perfect electric cafe racer scooter. After many months of research, we noticed that electric scooter owners around the world was saying the same thing. They missed the engine sound of an electric scooter. We noticed that the sound was a big issue, so we wanted to fill that gap. So we added some great engine sound that has zero delay when you touch the throttle. This is something unique and a great function from Rumble. You can easily turn on and off the engine sound with the touch of a button.